New Zealand USD, now we are based on daily chart. We want to analyze the chart for the next week. Okay, as we can see, based on daily chart, is still the chart maintain the up move, and how high it can go, we are not sure. Again, similar to some of the charts, we have this similarity. Okay, now the thing is how we can trade it for the next week. Shall we expect? We can expect the down move, or the price is still will be within this range. Okay, anyway, we want to see how we can trade for the next week. The first thing is when we put this here and here together, still if we refer to the MACD, we have a divergence, and as well here, but here as we can see is close to the top, but still we have a divergence. Okay, now the question is what's the next, how we can trade it. Okay, in this case we move to lower time frame. Okay, as we can see also based on lower time frame, when we compare this one to this, based on the indicators here to this, is losing the momentum, and as well here. Okay, and based on the what we have, even in my previous videos, we said if we get any sell, it can give us a really good trade. But as we can see, still the price is moving higher and higher, but quite slow. Okay, and we couldn't get the down move. Okay, anyway, based on forward chart, now we can see. Now the question is whether we can put this one in relative to this. If yes, then we can expect this long running flat in relative to this. That means we can get one move up for the next week. We can expect that we will, I don't mean we will get 400%. We can expect for one move up. Okay, then maybe from there we see whether we can get the down move or not. Okay, but from what we have right now, we don't have any trade setup based on forward chart. The only thing is next week we want to see how deep it can go, whether we get, based on what I say, running flat, we can get one move up or not. Okay, in this case we move to lower time frame. Okay, based on lower time frame, we don't have any trade setup. The only things I can say is that if we put our trend line here, if we get any buy setup, what I want to say, the breakout, correction, or small flag, if we get any buy setup, we take it. And as long as when the price comes to this high, we need to start to manage it. Okay, and if the price corrects some more, it can give us a better trade setup for buy if we get. Okay, do we have any sell setup? We don't have any sell setup. And can we say the possibility maybe this is the end of the move and this is the start of the down move? Yes, the possibility is there, but if even this one is correct, we don't have any trade setup for sell. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup. We need to wait for the next week. From what we have right now, the only things may, if we get any breakout with the buy setup, maybe we can look for buy. Okay, and for sell we don't have anything unless we see some changes here. Anyway, we just follow the market when the market open, and we see how we can trade it and what we will get. And by the way, if I see any update or any trade setup, I will share on YouTube. Thanks.